आज़ाद कश्मीर के जिला हटियावाला का एक सरहदी गांव है। ये मुजफ्फराबाद से 52 किलोमीटर के फासले पर दरियाए जहलम के किनारे लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल के करीब वाक़ है।
Chikoti, Azad, Kashmir is a beautiful village situated at control line between Azad Kashmir and occupied Kashmir. The road of Chikoti connects capitals of both parts, namely Muzaffarabad and Srinagar. There are many waterfalls along the road Muzaffarabad, Srinagar and Chikoti, which lies in Haitian-Bala district of Azad Kashmir. Eye-catching natural beauty entertain visitors much. Often crossfire witnessed between Indian and Pakistani forces in Chikoti sector, and people of Chikoti spend lives in permanent danger, but love of land could not bow them before Indian terrorism. Often crossfire witnessed between Indian and Pakistani forces in Chikoti sector, and people of Chikoti spend lives in permanent danger, but love of land could not bow them before Indian terrorism. Population on control line shows that people are courageous and ready to give their lives, but not ready to give India even 1 inch more of their soil. World and UNO must compel India to give Kashmiris their right of freedom as per UN resolution, so that people may exercise their lives according to their will, and this paradise of earth may develop itself and tourism may grow. United Nations Security Council has already passed more than 20 resolutions so that Kashmiris may be granted their right of self-determination, but due to Indian bad intentions and illegal actions to gulp Kashmir by force permanently, these resolutions are like tissue papers. Due to big size and market, West and big power willingly giving her free hand to strengthen her illegal occupation over Kashmir. On the other hand, Pakistan has been advocating Kashmiris' rights and fully support their legal cause, which also covered under a UN resolution. In spite of implementation of UN resolutions on Kashmir, India did opposite and violated international law. She unanimously removed special status of occupied Kashmir and made it unit of India unlawfully, which is not violation of international law but also violation of so-called alliance treaty between India and Hori Singh, then ruler of Kashmir, who bulldozed will of Kashmiris. World must address the issue, otherwise atomic war cannot be ruled out between India and Pakistan at any stage, which will be destruction of world, not India, Pakistan or Kashmir. I hope that you will like and support this channel. It is also requested to subscribe to so that you may receive every new update. Thanks.